Good evening, students. Now I want to explain about the insolubility product. One of the problem, that is lead dichloride at 298 Kelvin. Its solubility is 0.279 grams per liter. Find the K solubility product. For this, I want to write the lead chloride sparingly soluble salt. It dissociates to lead plus 2 plus 2Cl minus S into 2S. Ksp is equal to 4S cube. Lead atomic number is 208. Chlorine is 35.5. For the lead dichloride, total molecular weight is 279. This is 279 molecular weight of lead. Solubility is equal to weight by liter. For this, 279.279 by molecular weight, molar mass 279, we get the 10 power, number of moles is equal to 10 power minus 3 moles we get, that is moles per liter. For this concentration, Ksp is equal to 4 into S cube, means number of moles per liter, that is also denoted as a concentration. 10 power minus 3 into all to the power of 3, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 9. This is the K solubility product. Next, I want to explain about the common ion effect. What is if you take the sparingly soluble salt AB that dissociates into A plus plus B minus. If you product highly soluble salt, that is A plus, it is completely dissociate, completely soluble in the solution. That is A plus plus X minus aqueous. This is due to common ion effect of A plus. It further backward to dissociation of AB, means it is further decreases the solubility due to this common ion effect. We know. For this, I will give the one more question. That is, find the solubility of barium sulfate Ksp this in water and also 0.2 molar barium nitrate solution. Barium sulfate, we have to dissociate SeCl. This is barium nitrate. It is completely soluble because this is the highly soluble salt, 0.2 molar and 0.4 molar. For this Ksp, we write it as a barium plus 2 salt, 0.2 molar. This is comes from compared to barium 2 plus less soluble. This is more. This you taken as a 0. This is contribute more compared to barium 2 plus from barium sulfate. That's why it is taken as 0. 0.2 into S dash, S into 0.2 is equal to 10 power. S dash is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 4. This is 5 into 10 power minus 4. This is the solubility of the barium sulfate.